Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, this is my granddaughter Corrine. Okay, gathering with us, meeting her cousin from America. Okay, those you have met already. That's my friend over there, Jimmy. Okay, long-time friend. Okay. Okay. I'm right here. Okay, overall. Okay, that's my friend Joe. Okay, come to meet my brother as well. Okay, overall. Here, he's met his niece for the first time. Okay.
Great niece?
You're her uncle? That's your niece?
Okay.
It's his granddaughter.
It's my granddaughter?
Great niece.
No.
My great niece. My great niece.
Yeah.
My great niece, old man.
He's my brother.
Yeah,
great
he's
niece.
your brother, but she's
That's your granddaughter.
Oh, she's my granddaughter, not my daughter. Oh, crazy. Now you see the difference, you see? Okay.
Great niece.
Okay, the great niece, yeah.
So that's my cousin, basically.
That's your cousin, yes.
Yeah.
She's your cousin.
Second cousin.
Second cousin. Yeah, goodness me.
Yeah.
Crazy, great, yeah.
Old time.
Oh, wow. Oh, God.
With the things you get on.
Okay, let me just check up. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, bloody hell. Holy shit.
Hello.
Holy shit, me junk.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, God.
Cleaver,
Hiya.
my partner Cheryl.
How are you?
You?
Welcome indeed. Okay, I'm just doing a crazy video. And you are?
Daughter.
Daughter, goodness me. Welcome. Your name is? Helena. Cheryl. And Wendy! Holy shit! Wendy! Holy shit! Come on, come in here. Come in here, man. Bloody hell. Come on, man. Oh, crumbs, man. Come on, guys. Yeah, go on in. Thank you, go on in.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I am, yes.
Oh my
I am filming, yeah. Go on in.
always film.
Go on in. You got to in it. Come on. Cecil, look. The man is there. The man is there. The man is there. We gotta pay homage to the man. We gotta pay homage to the man. Oh, man.
Monty, I believe in him now. Monty,
Yeah, anything is possible now. Anything is possible now. Yeah, hold on with that.
Wow.
Oh, shit, me, man. Oh, fine.
That's my boy.
Hey, cool, man. Cool. That's good.
I brought gifts. I haven't really brought them gifts, but I brought
Helena, that's your cousin, Junior Cecil. That's your cousin, Wendy. Okay. Wendy. Okay. That's your cousin.
That's Angela's son.
Okay. Come on.
Yeah, that's me, all close cousins. That's all.
Come on.
You met last time?
That's your cousin. This is my granddaughter. Okay. And that's your cousin,
That's
Wendy.
Wendy.
Yes, Wendy. Yeah, man. That's Wendy, man. Good, thank you. Good job. Thank you. Huh? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, man. Still recording. Yeah, man. Still recording. No, man. Huh? Yes.
But that's where Matthew lives.
Who flock?
My cousin.
Put it in the bag. Yeah.
My
No,
family.
we don't do that.
It's about to let me down. I'm locked down. Give me a picture with Jared.
Okay. Come this side. I'm in the light. Come this side.
I don't know where.
Come this side.
I'm not sure.
Come this side. Okay.
I'm not sure I'm a good side.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Good.
Is it a phone?
I'm doing a video. you could then extract.
And you know how I know it's not a video?
Why?
Because you haven't said okay yet. You said
No,
okay.
still stay there. 'Cause I'm gonna do the.
I'm there. Oh, I'm good. It's a video. 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 It's a big video.
Look at the camera.
Come in. When?
Hold right,
Okay.
look again.
Hold tight. Hold tight.
Ready, and done.
Yeah, done. We done. Wendy, come on
I'm
over.
gonna send them to you.
Junior, in. Junior, come. Join him, please.
I'll take a picture.
No.
I'll take
He's there. He's okay. Okay. He's there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna send these off to you.
Okay, got you. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Right, and I
Okay.
do one with the full size. Oh dear, can't get them over.
Okay.
You got ready? And now stop you laughing.
Right, carry on. Okay,
Look
go.
towards it.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Thank you. Hold it there. Hang on a second.
Just talk.
Hang on. Yeah.
He's got a video going.
Hang on. I ain't done yet. Give me your name, please.
Cheryl.
Who are you? Who are you? We don't know this guy. We don't know this guy.
Wednesday.
Wait, thank you.
Helena.
Thank you. And
Helena.
you are Helena. Surname?
Daughter.
Liebert.
How come you get
Wendy
so this
Liebert.
Oh,
Okay.
Liebert.
And Trevor Liebert.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good. Cheers, guys. Just grab a seat. We're gonna get you fed. Thank you. Yeah.